If you're paying $500 to form a Florida LLC in 2026, you're overpaying by $300, and here's the cheapest way to do it. Here's the problem. Most services charge you 3 times the actual cost. File directly with Florida's Division of Corporations for $125, saving you $375 over ZenBusiness. Skip the $150 registered agent upsell by using your own address, cutting costs by 55%. Florida charges a flat $125 filing fee to the state. That's it. But formation services mark this up to $300, $400, even $600 because they bundle registered agent, EIN, and operating agreements you can get elsewhere for less. A real scenario. You're a freelance consultant in Miami launching your first LLC. You pick the first service Google shows you, pay $499, then realize 2 weeks later that $374 of that was pure markup. Here's exactly what that $125 buys you and what you actually need to spend beyond it. Most people fail here. They buy the premium package thinking they need everything on day one. The registered agent, the EIN, the operating agreement, the compliance calendar. The truth is Florida only requires the $125 articles of organization to exist legally. Everything else can wait or cost you $0 if you know where to look. Do not pay for a bundle before you understand what the state actually mandates versus what a company is upselling. Go to ZenBusiness.org, Florida's official division of corporations portal. Click Online Filing, then Domestic Limited Liability Company. Fill in your LLC name, your name as organizer, and your Florida address. The system charges $125 by credit card. Processing takes 2 to 3 business days. Your certificate of organization arrives by email. No middleman, no markup. This is the cheapest path, period. Get your federal EIN directly from the IRS at irs.gov/EIN. It's free and takes 10 minutes. Click Apply online now, answer 15 questions about your LLC, and the system emails your EIN immediately. This is important. Services charge $50 to $100 to do this exact same form for you. The IRS does not charge a filing fee for EINs. If you're paying for it, you're being upsold. Do it yourself and pocket the $100. Here's the problem most DIY filers hit in month 2. Florida requires you to file an annual report every year between January 1st and May 1st. Miss it and the state dissolves your LLC automatically. The report costs $138.75 and takes 8 minutes online. Set a calendar reminder for March 1st every year or you'll lose your business without warning. This catches 14% of first-year Florida LLCs. Now the registered agent question. Florida law says your LLC must have a registered agent with a Florida street address. If you live in Florida, you can be your own agent and use your home or office address. If you don't live in Florida or you want privacy, you need to hire one. Services charge $99 to $199 per year. Bastion Formations includes registered agent service in Florida for $99 annually, and we handle your annual report filing too, so you never miss the deadline. The exact wording to use when you file. Under registered agent name, enter your full legal name. Under registered agent address, enter your Florida street address, not a P.O. box. The state rejects P.O. boxes instantly. Registered agent name, your full legal name, registered agent address, your Florida street address, city, state, zip. Do not use a P.O. box. File at ZenBusiness.org for $125. No middleman markup. Get your free EIN at irs.gov in 10 minutes. Bastion Formations handles Florida LLC, EIN, and agent for $249 total. If this saved you $300, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com to form your Florida LLC in 3 days. Visit bastionformations.com.